thoughts go out to all those involved in the incidents in Spain and the sad loss this afternoon of a TV legend, Sir Bruce Forsyth, who has died this afternoon. So tonight's announcement is a big tribute to him. I am the leader of the pack, which makes me such a lucky jack. Lots of stations, so appealing. Okay, dollies, do your dealing. We've got 10 coaches, 596 seats, as well as 2 in the toilets. You are quite welcome to come dancing down the aisles. And you're welcome to come on down to first class. It's in coaches 1 and number 10. If you play your cards right, they might scrap that 3.6% fare increase in the new year. As remember, Bruce's price is always right. And a little Brucey bonus on the train this evening. Your train is equipped with Wi-Fi. Yes, you can rinse the internet, download lots of things. Look for Southern in your internet settings. Please be aware there's a 50 megabyte limit, so you can't download that much. But as we look at life, we ask you to remember that life is the name of the game, and I want to play the game with you. Life would be terribly tame if you didn't play the game with two. And I want to play the game with you. Yeah, nice to see you, nice. New Cross Gate, your next station.